designed to fit any kitchen. It's compact and stylish. Freshly ground beans every time. No pods, just pure flavor. Everyone at home gets their color-coded profile with personal settings saved and ready to go. Customize your coffee. Adjust strength, temperature, and froth level just the way you like it. One touch, endless possibilities. Espresso, cappuccino, latte, and more. Made effortlessly. Precision brewing with optimal temperature and pressure for the perfect crema. Quick cleaning so you can focus on what matters. Your coffee. Designed for easy cleaning so coffee time stays yours.